Hello friends, welcome to the Soft Learning. Today I want to give you the review of the famous book of chemical engineering, Unit Operations of Chemical Engineering. This book is written by Warren L. McCabe, Julian C. Smith, and Peter Harriot. This is the seventh edition of this book, and this is my undergraduate book. I have studied through this book and my chemical engineering undergraduate. So I want to review this book now. I want to give you an overview of this book, that which section is included in this book and how you can benefit, how you can get benefit from this book, and what is the advantages, and what are the some drawbacks. I mean, what are the some strengths and what are the some weakness of this book. I will give you my version of review. This book has several sections: fluid mechanics and heat transfer and its applications, mass transfer and its applications, and the operation involving particulate solids, the subsections like in the fluid section, fluid statics and its application. I will say you in a nutshell that in fluid mechanics, this section, this section covers fluid statics, fluid dynamics, and transport processes, laying the groundwork for understanding the behavior of fluids and various chemical engineering applications. And this section, heat transfer. So, in a nutshell, I will tell you that it explores the principle of conduction. Here you can see the conduction and convection and radiation, as well as practical applications such as heat exchangers. And thirdly, the mass transfer and its applications. So, it delivers a thorough. You can see here's the subsections: humidification operations, equilibrium stage operation, distillation. So, in a nutshell, I will tell you that this section, mass transfer, delivers a thorough analysis of diffusion, mass transfer coefficients, and the mechanism of separation processes such as distillation, absorption, and extraction. Okay, and third is fourth is mechanical operation and separation processes. So mechanical operation, like operation involving particulate solids. In this section discusses the mechanism of particle size reduction and the fluidization, filtration, centrifugation, which are critical for handling solid materials. Okay, and it also have separation processes like mechanical separation. It offers detailed insights into various separation techniques, including membrane processes, adsorption, and chromatography. So, I have given you the review of this subsections and what you can study in these subsections. There are some of the strengths of this book. I will cover one by one. First of all, it is comprehensive. It's comprehensive courage. The book's thorough treatment of fundamental concepts and practical application makes it an invaluable resource for both students and practicing engineers. This is the one of strength of this book. And second one is their illustrative examples. I will show you here examples. You can see here these examples, and every chapter the book has provided a detailed example on almost each and every topic. So numerous worked examples and problem sets help reinforce the material and provide practical experience in applying theoretical concepts. And the third strength is clear explanation. The book has a very clear explanation, and you can see here I have read this in my undergraduate studies. So the authors are known for their ability to explain complex topics clearly and consciously, making the book accessible to readers with varying levels of expertise. And the fourth strength is, in my opinion, is its updated content. As I have told you, this is seventh edition, so successive editions of the book have incorporated modern advancements and contemporary practices in chemical engineering, ensuring that the material remains current. So these were the strengths I have told you, I have shown you, and there are some of the weaknesses of this book, in my opinion, that are complexities. Some topics are complex in this book. Uh, I mean, given its depth and breadth, some readers might find certain sections challenging, particularly without a solid background in the underlying principles. And its length, it is too much length. The book is quite lengthy, which might be daunting for some students. However, its comprehensive nature is also one of its greatest strengths. And at the end, I will say you its usefulness. Unit operations of chemical engineering is and this is a great textbook for undergraduate and graduate students in chemical engineering. It is also valuable reference for professionals in the industry, offering detailed information on a wide range of topics essential for designing and optimizing chemical processes. Okay. And last, in the conclusion, I will say that Unit Operation of Chemical Engineering, this book by McCabe, Smith, and Harriot, remains a definitive resource in the field of chemical engineering. Its exhaustive coverage of unit operations, clear explanations, and practical examples in each and every chapter. So it is an essential text for anyone involved in the study or practice of chemical engineering, whether you are students seeking to understand the fundamental principle of a professional looking or a professional looking for a reliable reference. This book is a must have on your shelf. So I have explained everything in this book, the sections and subsections, and what is in the subsections. So this is the overview and review from my point of view. And it's also have problems in the every chapter. You can solve it and you can practice it. It will elevate your knowledge. And it's also have the greatest thing is the symbols. It can explain the symbols uh, mentioned in the chapters. So this was a short review of this book and my opinion. And you have to study this book. You have to take this book. And if you are an undergraduate student or you are in the field practicing chemical engineering. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any comment and you have any question, then ask in comment section, and subscribe to my channel, as I am working hard for you to teach you, to show you new skills and new techniques. So thank you and goodbye.